Man, I need something to hold up this line.
Soft shackle.
How should I hang up this messy rope?
Soft shackle.
How should I hank on this sail?
Soft shackle.
Soft shackle.
A soft shackle is just a simple tool made out of Dyneema. So you have a spliced noose on one side and a stop knot that forms a head on the other. So you open the noose and you just put the noose over the head and that's it. And it's strong. So to make this really easy and really strong soft shackle, all you need are 20 inches of line. Now your first step is going to be at the 9-inch section. Push the fid through. We grab the longer part and then we pop through. Now what this does is it gives us the eye, and it also gives us 2 even tails. The math for this is really simple. The eye takes up 2 inches, and then the knot is going to consume 8 inches of Dyneema. So if you want to make your soft shackle bigger, like longer, all you need to do is add into the middle, and just know that you need to have 10 inches extra. So 2 for the eye and 8 for the knot. With that, you can make your soft shackle any size you want, bigger or smaller. Now that we have the eye spliced here, we're going to tie the lover's knot. Now the lover's knot is a little complicated. It's supposed to be tied by 2 lovers because it needs 2 people to tie that knot. But with a little practice, you can tie it alone and just live lonely making soft shackles in a boat. So that's what's involved in tying the knot. So let's go over this a lot slower. So you're going to take the top leg and you're going to pass it behind and below the bottom leg. Then you're going to go in front of the noose and then back behind and then back out. So all you did is create a half hitch. Now the top leg goes over the bottom tail that comes out, back behind everything, and then it's going to come out between these 2. So you just want to open that up, bring that guy out, and then pass it back through this one. So now you have the 2 tails coming out together and the standing parts going in together, and then the lover's knot in the middle. So the reason I like the lover's knot is if you look at it while it's exploded here and not tightened down, you see there's really no sharp, harsh turns anywhere. At no point does the Dyneema have to do a really strong, sharp kink. And that means that the knot doesn't really weaken the Dyneema that much, and then the soft shackle retains a lot of its strength from the rope. Now for the last part, it's important to remember that the soft shackle, its final goal is to be 5 1/4 inches from the cross to the face of the stop knot. Now if you tie your soft shackle at 5 1/4, you're going to end up with a longer soft shackle than what you wanted, because as it gets loaded, it's going to stretch and creep a little bit. So what you want to do is actually tie it a 1/2 inch shorter. So you want to tie it at 4 3/4, and then when it gets loaded, it'll stretch out to 5 1/4. So we're just gonna push the Dyneema in and just pull the knot over until we get it close to the 4 3/4 inch mark. And there we are. So from the noose to the to the face of the stop knot, we are at 4 3/4. So now we're just gonna tighten this down, and then we're gonna go load it up. Now to load it, all you're going to do is just pull on it from opposite sides. So you can either hook this to a cleat and a halyard, you can hook it up between 2 cars, you can do whatever you want, but you're just going to stress it and load it. And when you do that, it's going to finish tightening down this knot, and then we can finish it up. So with that, you have a very easy to operate and very strong soft shackle that you can make yourself. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends.
And if you'd like to follow our journey in real time on a map, receive postcards from our ports of call, and message us directly to the boat, you can go ahead and become a patron using the link in the description down below.